In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do reverse image search on Bing. This feature lets you start with a picture and find where it appears online, see similar images, and learn more about what's in it. It's great for verification, sourcing, and discovery. Begin by opening your web browser and going to bing.com. At the top of the home page, click Images to switch to Bing's image view. You can also type bing.com/images directly into the address bar. This is where the reverse image tool lives, so consider bookmarking it if you'll use it often. On the Images page, look at the search box and click the small camera icon labeled Visual Search. That opens the reverse image panel. There's nothing to install and you don't need to sign in to use it. You'll see 3 ways to search. Upload an image from your computer, paste an image URL if the picture is already online, or drag and drop a file into the box. For upload, choose a clear JPG or PNG from your desktop or downloads. For a URL, right-click a picture on a website, copy its image address, then paste it. Direct links that end in .jpg, .png, or .gif work best. For drag and drop, position your browser and the file side by side, then drag the image over the visual search area until it highlights and release. Any of these methods will send the picture to Bing so it can analyze what it contains and match it across the web. Once you submit the image, Bing analyzes it and shows results. You'll typically see visually similar images, web pages where that exact picture appears, and related details that can help identify objects, places, or products. Click any result to open the page for more context, or open similar images to compare and verify. This makes it easier to trace a photo to its source, check authenticity, or locate a higher resolution version. If your goal is to credit a creator or find a clearer copy, focus on the pages that look authoritative, like original portfolios or reputable publications. If you don't see the camera icon, make sure you're on the Images page, not the main web search. If an upload fails, try a smaller file or a standard format, and avoid submitting sensitive or personal images, since what you upload is processed by the service. That's all you need. Go to Bing, open Images, click the camera, choose Upload, Paste, or Drag and Drop, and review what comes back. With a few clicks, you can uncover where a picture comes from and learn more about it.